Alright friends, inside this video topic, again we'll discuss a very amazing concept and that is how to convert single product HTML layout to single product component. Let's go back to editor. So then after I will go and open src folder, pages folder and single product component. So right now inside this component file here we have only a static message that is hello single product. So what we can do, let's go to our GitHub repository called github.com/owthub. Click on repositories. Then I will click on this headless store HTML files. And inside this repository, I can see a file called singleproduct.html. Now here we have the complete HTML. So what I will do, I will copy the whole code on click of this copy button. Let's go to editor and in place of h1 tag, let's paste all these code. Now let's do some formatting. And here, let's remove some HTML comment lines from this page. And here it is. Let's remove, let's remove, save all these changes. And also we can see that inside this HTML, here we have the on-click event. Let's remove also. And also we have to change our class keyword. So I will copy this class equals to double quotes and replace with this class name. So successfully, we have replaced all the occurrences of class with the class name keyword. And then after, here we have the product image. So remember, inside our previous videos, we had downloaded a product image and placed inside this public folder. So what we can do, let's go here, import. I'll call it as, let's say, product image from. So one folder back src means two dots forward slash, then two dots forward slash. Then we have to go inside public folder and then after washing machine dot jpg. Now next I'll copy this product image. Let's go here, remove this double quotes and file name. And then after here we have the product image. Now we can see this is all about the product banner image like the product image. Here we have the product name, product description, product price, and category information. Save these changes. So if I go and one more thing that to open this single product, actually we want to set a redirection. So what we can do in the last video, what we had done, if I open this product component, so here we are navigating from this products layout to single product component. But to handle this, let's open our app component and here, now inside this app component, let's add a route. So it will be route. Then here, the path equals to, I will add single quotes or double quotes. So I will add into a symmetric pattern. So single quote, then product, and then after product id, so colon, and id is the placeholder, so element, and in this case I will call our single product. So single product, and this component is coming from pages and single product. Now save these changes. So if I go back to browser and again we have some error that is failed to resolve this washing machine and okay, I think that in this file name we have missing like hyphen 2, because if I go into public folder, now we can see that washing machine -2.jpg. Save these changes and now we can see that it is working. Click here to go to products page, click here to go to single layout, and right now it is not calling our single component like single product component. And why it is happening? Let's go inspect, go to console tab. So we are getting 500 internal error, and here if I go and check all about this products, so here we have product ID, and here inside here product, it is okay if I copy. So product ID, product, product ID, and okay, actually this is not a text, this is a component. So we have to wrap inside angular bracket, save these changes, and okay, again we have some errors. So if I reload, and now we can see error has been resolved and successfully we are into the single product detail layout. Let's go back to our home component like at the landing page, click on product component, product layout. If I click on this product title to see the informations, and here we have the single product layout. Now finally, we have the layout of home component. It means home layout, product layout, and finally from this video, now we have single product layout. Now one more thing we can change before closing this video. Let's go back to editor. If I go into this product component, so as we know that inside this product component, we have two products. This is product number one and this is product number two. So inside this product number one, we can see that we are passing this on click event handler, and here statically we have passed product ID. But what we want, I want that this ID should be passed from each product. For example, so if this is 100 number product, so I will pass the ID of product right here inside this function, or this is 101 product ID. So I have to pass the product ID dynamically from this product layout. So what I will do, I'll go, let's cut this event handler function, parenthesis, and then here I will call this function and let's pass our product ID. So this is product ID of this first div. Now let's go into this second product, and here within this h5, let's say on click parenthesis arrow function, and here let's pass 101. So it means that whenever if I click on this first product, it will pass the 100 ID into URL and it will pass 101. But please wait, because this function is going to take this parameter here. So this is something, let's say product ID, and this time let's copy this product ID which is dynamic now. So here, instead of using double quotes, I will use backtick symbol to use string literal concept. So here, product forward slash curly pairs, sorry, dollar curly pairs and product ID. Now, if I save these changes, let's go back to browser. If I go to products layout, so let's click on this second product which has 101 ID, and now you can see 101 ID, and it is successfully opening all about single product detail layout. Let's go back to products layout. Let's click on this first product, and here we have the 100 number ID. So for the time being, what we can do, if I go here, let's go to single product. Now this time I want to read this product ID to this layout. So how to read? So by using the concept of use params, what we have seen inside the basics class of React application. So here, let's import first. So import curly pairs, then I will use params, and this will come from React Router DOM. So here, let's say const params equals to use params, and here if I go and copy, let's say console.log, and if I write params, save these changes, let's go back to browser, let's inspect, go to console. Now here, if I have passed 100 number here, look at here inside this console, here we have an object, and inside this here we have id equals to 100, and this is id like product id. Now this is the placeholder id what basically we have passed inside here as a placeholder. Now what we can do is a single product, so instead of using params, I'll go and destructure, so let's say curly pairs and id. So this is product id. Let's copy, and here inside this product name, let's go and concatenate and id. Save these changes. So if I go, now we can see product number 100. Let's go to landing page. Click here, click on the second product, and now we can see product 101. So successfully, now here we have a layout chain like a landing page, products page, and now this time we have our single product layout. So in the next video, I'll discuss all about the layout conversion of cart layout, cart HTML page to cart component. So for this interesting video, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.